Microsoft Azure to disproportionately benefit from accelerated to public cloud. Credit Suisse says shift to public cloud. Credit Suisse research analysts led through Phil Winslow furnished a deep dive into Microsoft's Nasdaq MSFT cloud computing carrier product Azure. In the wide-ranging research notice, the analysts instructed traders that they anticipate Microsoft Azure, because the business enterprise cloud, to disproportionately gain from an expanded shift to the general public cloud. Winslow stated in addition they anticipate Azure will maintain to slender the revenue hole to Amazon Nasdaq AMZN Web Services, which is presently primary in the subject. In addition, Google Nasdaq Google Cloud is said to be driving sustained boom for Microsoft and a significant upside to the consensus estimate. Businesses are carefully moving ahead on multi-year, strategic, cloud-first transformation roadmaps, a transition from the preliminary rush into the cloud as a way to triage IT systems in the course of the COVID-19 pandemic, wrote the analysts. Although Wall Street stays largely superb on Microsoft, we agree with the entire multi-year effect of Azure's growth possibility remains no longer nicely reflected in consensus estimates. The analysts also in comparison the sales increase of Azure and Amazon's AMZN AWS. Azure has grown meaningfully quicker than AWS when reaching revenue run rate milestones of $500 million, $1.0 billion, $1.5 billion, $2.5 billion, $3.25 billion, $4.0 billion, $5.0 billion, and $7.5 billion and persisted to grow faster after accomplishing these benchmarks as compared with AWS, stated Winslow. However, after attaining a $10.5 billion run rate in Q2 FY 2022, consensus forecasts Azure's growth differential narrowing completely inside 4 quarters, after which inverting relative to AWS's growth inside the corresponding intervals after attaining a run rate of $10.5 billion, which we view as overly conservative thinking about Azure's sustained outperformance following all 8 preceding benchmarks.